Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, on gold monthly, I still think this is very, very clearly at 1, 2, 3. We're not at a Fibonacci level, and wave 3s can extend way beyond what you think they could. I've seen wave 3s go to like 400% sometimes, so I mean, there's no reason to think that wave 3 is over yet. Eventually, it probably will make a very big pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but I still don't see any evidence, even on shorter time frames, that the wave 3 is over yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, no break of structure, no Fibonacci bounce, no reason to say the wave 3 is over. On the weekly, the last structure level is way down here, so this potentially could make a pretty big pullback and still be in a wave 3 uptrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it looks like impulse down like a wave A. It looks like we already have a wave B. I think we're likely in a wave C. Most likely this move down is just a crescent to the last wave up, and I still think this is all just subdivisions of a bigger wave 3. I'm definitely still bullish, and I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I don't have anything labeled here, but I do think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. I think this is 1, 2, 3, and that spike right there is the wave B. And I think we're likely in a wave C right now. Now, most wave Cs do take out the lower wave A, so you would kind of expect it to possibly go down quite a bit more, maybe to the 100 or the 123, before it actually does end up going up to make that another push up for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So taking that all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, very, very, very sideways price action. To me, like I was just explaining, to me it looks like a wave A, it looks like a wave B, it looks like we're in a wave C. Wave Cs are normally a trend, and it doesn't really look like a trend. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, I would definitely turn back into a buyer and look for continuation patterns for the uptrend. But like I said, it looks like we're kind of lacking the proper wave C. So, I mean, it still looks to me like it's more likely to go down to the 100, maybe 123 that I was showing on the 4 hour time frame to complete this wave C. I mean, technically, because of the higher time frames, I would personally still be looking for long opportunities because I don't trade the short time frames. If you do trade the short time frames, I would be looking for shorts until we had a break of structure to the upside. If it doesn't break structure, then I would still primarily be looking for shorts on shorter time frames than this. Unless you're like me, more of a swing trader, then I would be waiting for the end of a correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.